An urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, western Columbiana County and east central Ohio until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was near East Rochester and was moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include East Rochester, Augusta, Millport, Mechanicstown.
A special weather statement for the